Wow. Fuel to the down position. Choke on.
Okay. See this here?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you have to, yeah. All right, now it's in.
There, now, there's in.
Yeah.
Neutral.
Yeah. You want me to give it a crack?
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Oh, is it not? The choke's not on? Okay. Wait a minute. Is it, the fuel's on?
Yeah.
Huh. Should I, is there fuel in the tank?
Oh, yeah. Go ahead and try it.
All right. Huh. I don't know what's going on. What do you want me to do? Just crack it?
Probably let me do it.
Let's get it fired up. Come on. Oh. Come on, baby. Oh. Almost there. Probably flooded it or something. Come on, baby. Oh. Come on, baby. All right. Yeah. Almost there. All right. Try pushing the choke or some. Maybe that'll help. Come on, baby. Man, it's been sitting for 3 months. Oh. Oh. Come on, baby. Oh. Oh, that sucks. Awesome, man. Took a while, but we got it. Come on, baby. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, it does.
Should do that about every week.
Yeah. Sounds good though.
Problem, the whole system, the whole gas system was drained.
Yeah.
So it has to pump it all up.
To the carb. Yeah.
Which is where it doesn't matter, so plug it back in.
Cool. Come on, baby. Oh. Woo! Wake up the neighbors. That is awesome. That is awesome, man. Oh my gosh. Woo! I know. Sounds awesome. Alright, fuel off. And it should be in gear. Like if you kick it down that way.
Yeah.
That good?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, awesome. I knew how to do it. Cool. Here's the Cub Cadet. It's been sitting longer. So he's going to start it. Hopefully. Exactly. That's what I'm hoping to. At least attempt. All right. Let's see. All right. Oh man, it cranks. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. The battery's good. Yeah, maybe just like is there any fuel?
No, I ain't smelling.
Yeah. At least the battery's good. Oh. 4 months and it's running. That is awesome.